Here's an example for simulating and educational purposes. This is a robotic trader that is just carrying out a strategy trading stocks between $1 and $2. So this one here is trading 1,000 share lots of these particular symbols, and it's taking profit every chance it gets. So it has 13 stocks currently, and they're all listed here in the inventory in this middle section. And then we have funds allocated of $21,380. And we have funds available of $16,460. But this robotic trader's averaged about $20,000 over the last 6 months. Down below, we've got the watch list, and there's a couple of stocks in here that meet the watch list rules, but it has not opened up the position. So just want to give you an idea of activity on this particular strategy, and this robotic trader is carrying it out 100% unattended. So it picks the stocks, it buys, opens the positions, closes the positions, and it does it all on its own. So this one here opened up the first position 8/9/12 at 9:39 a.m. and it closed it the same day at 10:40, and that was STEM, and that's a long position. And it's trading 1,000 share lots. It made $90. So that's just a 9-cent move on these stocks between between $1 and $2. And we did it. The system did another one. Opened this one up 8/9 and closed it the same day in the afternoon. Pacific Sun, $70. DCTH 130, ACAD 60, NVAX 70. PRKR 250. So this is just to give you an idea of the activity. So this is page 1, and this started on 8/9/12. And this is page 2, page 3, and we're on page 4 now, and you can see the last trade was done February 1st, and it's February 4th today. So $11,190 is what it's taken in gross profit. Now to calculate the net number, we just go ahead and subtract out our open inventory, and we're down 2,070 on our open positions, so it's up about $9,000 in 6 months, and it's averaged about 20,000 during that period of time. So this one's doing really well. If you want to take a look at that particular one, we'll go ahead and look at the strategy wizard here. So this is the $2 and below strategy, and this one is set up to trade 1,000 share lots of stocks between $1 and $2. We have our start times and stop times here. We've told the robotic trader when we want it to trade. Over to the left, we've told the robotic trader to purchase up to 15 symbols. And down below here, anything up more than $50 at the end of the day, the robotic trader is just going to take it. And then we go ahead and click over to the watch list, and here's the rules on this particular strategy. Yesterday's volume is greater than 200,000 shares. 30-day average volume is greater than 200,000 shares. Current assets are greater than current liabilities of the companies. Institutional ownership percent is greater than 10. Yesterday's close price is less than the 5-day simple moving average. And stocks between $1 and $2. So what the robotic trader does is applies those rules to about 7,800 stocks on the exchanges, and it returns back 6 that meet those rules. And those are the ones that it focuses on, and here they are right there. Then we go to our open position rules. And then once all of these rules are true, the robotic trader is going to go ahead and open up the position for you. And then we go to our add to position rules, and these would need to be true in order to add to the position. And you can decide with your strategy if you want to add to positions or not. Then we've got exit trade rules here. If institutional ownership drops below 5%, then the robotic trader is going to close out the position, and that is very easy for you to change however you want to set that up, or you could take it out. Profit requirements are here, and it comes as a template. It's set at 18 cents, which would be $180 as the profit goal. And then we have a pullback after reaching goals. So the robotic trader is going to ride through the profit goal, and then once it pulls back 4 cents, it will close out the position. And then profit protection is here, and you can set this for whatever you want. Right now it's 9 cents, so that would be $90 on 1,000 shares, and it's very easy. I'll point and click just to adjust that however you would like to. And then we've got our stop losses here. If you want to use them, you can. This particular one is not using a stop loss, but you can set that there very easily if you would like to. And then a reentry pullback feature. So what that's telling the robotic trader is if it just took profit on a position, then wait till it pulls back a little bit before it opens up another position. That's the $2 and under strategy for simulating and educational purposes. Hope this has been helpful, and thank you.